Good morning. Glad you're with us on Mile High Living. I'm Gina Bellich. Well, be sure to stay with us over the next half hour. You'll have a shot at winning 4 tickets inside the Arapahoe County Fair. As summer begins to wind down and family vacations are actually coming to a close, the reality of family issues can sometimes begin to settle in, unfortunately. Now, this doesn't have to be a stress-inducing reality, though. With us from Divorce Matters, we have Kathlyn Laraway, shareholder and super lawyers bringing rising star. I was going to say bringing star. I just made a whole new word. Also with us is David Kalisek, senior attorney in Colorado, top 40, under 40 attorney. They both join us to discuss what to expect when you choose Divorce Matters to help with your legal matter. All right, I got your titles all out of the way. You guys have wonderful titles, so I just had to make sure we got there. David, we're going to start with you. Let's talk about what people can expect, really. I mean, what about going to Divorce Matters? How are you different, and really, how do you help folks?
Well, we think one of the things that sets Divorce Matters apart from other firms is the extensive experience our firm has, particularly in family law related cases and divorce cases. We have numerous attorneys at our firm that specialize in family law and divorces, and as a result, we've seen probably thousands and thousands of divorces and other family law cases. So when someone comes to Divorce Matters, they can be confident that though every case is unique, we've likely seen a set of circumstances like theirs before, and probably multiple times before. So that results in us being able to both be very effective in our representation as well as keeping costs down for representation. So we think our experience really sets us apart.
Well, experience is something a lot of people need and desire when they're going through something as difficult as it is. You know, you guys actually, Kathlyn, have videos on your websites. You have of your clients, real people, talking about their experience and things like that. How that seems so beneficial. Why is that a wonderful thing for people to be able to access?
Well, you know, we want our clients and our potential clients to see what our past clients have to say. You know, one thing that we really have prided ourselves on as a firm is our ability to be empathetic. As David mentioned, yes, we've seen almost any kind of situation you can throw at us family law-wise. But that being said, we also understand that everybody's situation is unique. Even though there's a lot of the legal stuff may be similar, we know and understand that everybody's case is unique, and we try to make sure that you're matched with the right attorney. So that's another big thing that we try to do. Our intake team specializes in knowing our attorneys, I wouldn't say strengths and weaknesses, but perhaps where we prefer to practice and perhaps where we're most confident and comfortable. Right. They also understand the clientele that we're going to work well with. So what they try to do is make sure that when you're coming in and you're calling us, they're putting you with the right attorney from the beginning. And what we've done is we've asked some of our past clients to go in and come in on a Saturday and give us their perspective of our representation, and they've been really wonderful in doing so.
Well, I think that says a lot because, as you can imagine, this is a pretty stressful time for people. You know, couples, families, individuals going through something like this. And so to have such positive things to say about the people they worked with and how the process went really says a lot about what you guys do. David, also, you have an app. You have a Divorce Matters app, which is so 21st century. Talk about that a little bit.
Yeah, it's a free app. It can be found on our website, and it can also be downloaded on Google Play and in the Apple Store. And our app is so great because it allows people to be able to calculate child support and spousal maintenance, which is what alimony is called in Colorado, right from their phone. Those are both based upon an equation the state of Colorado has come up with, and so people can download, input information particular to their case, and right on their phone get an idea generally of where they may be sitting as far as child support and spousal maintenance.
What a great idea. Talk about just taking away some questions and already giving answers before they ever talk to anyone. This is so nice. Guys, thanks so much for being here. Call during the month of July and mention that you saw Divorce Matters on Mile High Living, and your comprehensive consultation fee will be waived. The number is 720-542-6142. Once again, listen to this number, folks, 720-542-6142. For more information to see real client testimonials, visit divorce-matters.com. Legal strength, trusted advice is what you'll find at Divorce Matters. They paid for today's segment. We'll be back in just 2 minutes.